cheap perfume, painted faces, fallen angels fill places where I go when my trouble pulls me down. And all the lies I know they'll tell me, and the time that they will sell me, for a while I'll be the biggest man in town. And back at home in bed she's crying, for her love for me is dying. Oh, but she'll pray I'll make it safely through the night. When the morning sun starts showing to her bedside, I'll be going, and she'll hold me while I face the morning light. And I'll make promises to change. I'll make her promises, swear I'll rearrange, and I'll start giving all the love she needs if only she'll stay. And once again she'll reassure me, and I believe her love will cure me, and I'll fall asleep with tears on my face. Lord, I know she's just a woman, and her love can't last forever. Someday soon I know she'll leave without a trace. For broken promises will tear her dreams apart. Just token promises will someday break her heart, and for the last time she'll hold me when I cry, and when I'm sleeping she'll quiet